Anna, how are you feeling?
Not very well. I feel pain in my chest area. I have been struggling to breathe normally. What happened to me, Mommy?
That sounds bad, but don't you worry. I am going to take you to the doctor right now.
Okay, Mom. Let me get dressed first.
Remember to put on the scarf and your mittens, honey. It is getting cold outside.
Yes, I will. Is there anything else you want me to bring?
No, I think I will bring the doctor the medicine that you have just drank this morning. She will tell us if we are using the dry kind or not.
Good afternoon. May I help you?
Yes, I'm Mrs. Green and this is my daughter Anna.
Hello, Miss.
We have an appointment with Dr. Kelly. Can we come in now?
Just a moment, ma'am. I will call Dr. Kelly to make sure that she is ready for you guys right now.
Okay, we will wait over there on the bench.
Yes, please. Thank you so much. I am so terrified, Mommy. What if the doctor said I am seriously ill?
No, don't be negative. Everything will be fine, okay? No matter what happens, I am always here for you. Now, take a deep breath and relax your body.
Okay, I feel better now. Ma'am, Dr. Kelly is ready. Please follow me.
Hello, Mrs. Green. Hi, Anna, my little girl.
Is it nice to see you again, Dr. Kelly? I don't feel good today.
Yeah, I know. That's why you are here. I can help with that. Now tell me, what seemed to be your problem, Anna?
I have had a headache since this morning when I just woke up. I felt like there was a heavy stone in my brain, and it made me feel uncomfortable.
How about now? Do you still feel hurt in your head?
Yes, but it's better than in the morning.
What else do you feel?
I also got dizzy. I almost fainted when I suddenly stood up after sitting for a while. And,
Keep going, Anna.
And I could not breathe smoothly and steadily. I could not control my breath.
All right, I will listen to your lung with this stethoscope. Please pull your coat up. It will be a little bit cold because this one is made of metal, but it will be fine, okay?
Okay, Dr. Kelly.
Now take a deep breath in. Okay, breathe out, please. In, out. Thank you. You can pull your coat down. Do you have a cough, Anna?
Cough? I guess yes.
She does indeed, but not too much, doctor, just some time. She also had a sore throat.
Were there any other symptoms that you noticed, Mrs. Green?
Yes, she told me she had diarrhea the day before. I thought it was because she ate some junk food at her school. And she also got a fever this morning as well.
Okay, let me take your temperatures. Okay, wait a second. Oh my goodness, she's having a fever now. Her temperature is 39 degrees Celsius.
Really? Oh no, what should we do, doctor?
Do you drink any kind of medicine?
We did. I always keep some medicine at home in case there is an emergency. I brought them with me here. Please check it out.
I see. Okay, I will ask the nurse to prepare a cup of antibiotic analgesic for Anna. She can lie down on the bed over there.
You can lie on this bed. Wait for me, okay? I need to talk to the doctor.
Did you take a rapid COVID-19 test for Anna?
No, I didn't. I could not buy any self-test. They all ran out.
Luckily, we are currently providing a COVID-19 PCR test service. The nurse will help to take her sample, and I think you should take a test too.
Yes, but how long do we need to wait?
Normally 24 hours, but in fact, you just need to wait for a couple of hours. I suggest you both stay here until tomorrow. I need time to observe and diagnose.
Okay, fine.
After a few hours.
Doctor, please help. My daughter just vomited.
Have her drink some water, please. I will get a diagnosis result. Here it is. Unfortunately, both of you tested positive for COVID-19.
Oh my, I knew it.
It's okay, Mrs. Green. If you watch the news, you will know that the pandemic is still spreading wider and wider. Almost everyone gets it once. Luckily, you contacted me right away after a few mild symptoms, because the treatment must be started within the first few days to be effective.
What should we do?
First of all, you both must stay home. Do not leave your home except to get medical care. Do not visit public areas and do not go to places where you are unable to wear a mask.
Sure, Dr. Kelly. I will ask my mom to buy me some stuff at the market and leave it in front of my door.
Good. Don't work too hard during this period. You need to get some rest and stay hydrated. You can take over-the-counter medicine, which I will give you later to feel better.
What should we drink and eat, doctor?
Hydration is super important. Try to drink plenty of fluids. Here are some options you can consider. Tea with honey, orange juice, coconut with ginger, and electrolyte drinks. Besides that, you may want to limit hard-to-digest food like beans and whole grains. Swap them for these, which are easier to digest.
All right.
Oh, one more thing, you should make sure your house has good airflow by opening the windows to increase air circulation. And of course, you need to clean your hands often.
Sure, doctor.
Keep in touch with me. If you and your daughter keep getting sicker, please call me.
Yes, so can we go home now?
Yes, you can. The nurse will instruct you to take your medicine.
Thank you, Dr. Kelly. We will see you later. Come on, Anna, we need to go now.
Am I really sick, Mommy?
You certainly are, honey. You will stay home for a week. Mommy is going to take care of you, no problem.
Thanks, Mom. Thank you, Dr. Kelly. Goodbye.
Bye, Anna. Get better soon.